In this video I'm going to show you 19 amazing papaya seeds health benefits. Native to the tropical areas of Central America and southern Mexico, papaya have slowly and steadily attained popularity all around the world. They are used in a number of forms: ripe, unripe and dried. Papaya is a tropical fruit which is popular in most Asian countries because of its ability to aid in skin whitening, but it still has more to offer than what people expect. Papaya seeds are crunchy to the bite and have a strong flavour that is a cross between mustard seeds and mild peppercorn. Whilst eating papaya fruit, the papaya seeds are often thrown out because we perceive they have no value. But little do we know we are disregarding a huge part of the fruit. Do you know how enormously beneficial they can be and how they can prevent a variety of ailments? Most of them are related to the issues with the liver, gut and organs within the body. The first benefit I want to look at is papaya can reduce inflammation of the joints. Papaya fruit together with its seeds, unlike other seeds, contain excellent anti-inflammatory properties, which makes them great for alleviating arthritis, joint pains, swelling and redness. Number 2. Papaya can kill bacteria and heal viral infections. A few papaya seeds have been found to have amazing properties to kill harmful bacteria like staphylococci and salmonella. They also help fight viral infections and are helpful in curing dengue fever and other numerous threatening diseases. Papaya seeds are commonly mixed with milk in Nigeria. It is proven is an excellent cure for typhoid fever. Number 3. A lower high blood pressure. According to some studies, this fruit can provide significant improvements in the cardiovascular health. Carpane, a compound found in all papaya including leaves and seeds, has proven to be effective for decreasing certain forms of blood pressure. Number 4. Clean the kidneys. Papaya seeds are also extremely beneficial for detoxifying your kidneys. The potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of the papaya seeds protect the kidneys from toxin-induced inflammation. To cleanse the kidneys, you can make a concoction by using 5 to 7 papaya seeds. Mix them into a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. It's best to drink it every morning before having breakfast. If you need to treat some kind of kidney problem such as an infection, you can try blending 7 seeds with a freshly prepared glass of horsetail tea. Make sure to drink it while it's still warm with a few drops of lemon. Also do it before breakfast. Number 5. It can destroy parasites that thrive in the intestine. The seeds of the papaya were discovered to contain an alkaloid named carpane that is responsible for killing intestinal worms and amoeba parasites. The papaya fruit itself also helps metabolize proteins, which creates an extremely hostile environment in the gastrointestinal tract for parasites to live and thrive. An outstanding study has shown that Nigerian children who had parasites in their gut got rid of 75% of them by consuming papaya seed juice for 7 days. Papaya seeds also became potent remedies in even killing parasites and their tiny eggs. Here's how you can do it. First, it's important you dry them out on a hot plate. You can use about 30 to 40 seeds. When they become completely dry, you must crush them into a powder and then mix them in with some honey and stir it well. You can then put this in your lemon tea drink just before breakfast. Make sure it's not too hot and don't eat anything for the next 30 minutes. Then have a couple more drinks during the day for great results. Number 6. Contraception. For centuries, the Indian culture has been using papaya seeds as a form of natural contraception. Therefore, if you're planning to get pregnant, you should avoid eating papaya seeds. Moreover, studies conducted on male rats which have been eating papaya seeds for some period of time show that their production of sperm had slightly reduced. Number 7. Treating acne. The consumption of papaya seeds helps you clear the skin and treats pimples and acne. You can also mix papaya leaves and papaya seeds in a blender, add some water and apply the mixture to your face. Leave it to act for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Number 8. It can help cancer. Papaya seeds contain agents such as phenolic and flavonoids, both powerful compounds that have high antioxidant activities to diminish tumour cell growth. These compounds work well with colon, breast, lung, leukemia and prostate cancer. Number 9. It can enhance digestive function. Papaya is essential for the digestive tract. Its seeds provide potent anti-parasite and antibacterial properties, which we've shown before, which help eliminate the harmful microorganisms from the intestinal tract. Also, papaya has strong anti-pathogenic properties, thus you could consume a tablespoon of seeds to treat food poisoning and destroy bacteria. Number 10. Strengthen bones. Papaya seeds are extremely high in calcium and protein, so they strengthen the bones and muscles and prevent related issues or disorders. Number 11. Relieve menstrual pain. The consumption of seeds of papaya have been found to soothe menstrual pain and ease PMS symptoms like fatigue and menstrual cramps. Number 12. Prevent aging. The amino acids in papaya seeds like glycine and leucine are excellent for the skin, and they slow down aging and prevent wrinkles. Number 13. Diabetes. A study on papaya significantly diminished blood glucose levels in diabetic rats. The study is great news for those with diabetes who want to add fruit to their diet. The fruit is full of potent beta-carotene and it's also packed with vitamin A, B and C. Number 14. Skin lightening. One of the best things about papaya is that it's a natural skin exfoliant. It literally breaks down inactive proteins and eats away dead cells on the skin. This will leave your skin fresh, smooth and with a lighter complexion. Papaya also has skin lightening and whitening properties and can remove excess facial hair and heals blemishes and acne scars. Number 15. It can prevent macular degeneration. Macular degeneration is the gradual loss of vision that usually affects the elderly. Papaya can help stop this loss of vision. Papaya has an antioxidant called zeaxanthin that filters out the rays that harm the retinas. This reduces the risk of macular degeneration. So it's a good idea to have a papaya daily to potentially improve your vision. Number 16. It can help heal wounds. Applying crushed papaya seeds to wounds can help them heal faster. Papaya seeds show significant antimicrobial activity that helps kill the bacteria in the wound and promotes faster healing. The juice you get from green papayas is a wonderful natural remedy to prevent swelling and pus formation when applied to wounds. Number 17. Irritable bowel syndrome. Papayas contain 12% fibre and 60% of it being soluble fibre. This soluble fibre can help prevent the symptoms of IBS. Papayas are also rich in a number of protein digesting enzymes that aid proper bowel movement. Number 18. It's also great for babies. This easily digestible fruit is considered good for babies, which is why it's one of the first foods introduced to them. It is usually introduced to infants when they're about 7 to 8 months old. Papaya assists proper bowel movement and keeps babies healthy and happy. Number 19. It can help treat gout. Gout is caused by the accumulation of uric acid in the blood. This excess acid forms crystals, inducing swelling, redness and pain in the joints. Papaya may aid in the symptom relief to treat gout. Papain is an enzyme found in the papaya plant and is a natural anti-inflammatory agent. So how do you use papaya seeds? To enjoy the beneficial properties of the seeds, you can simply scoop them directly from the fruit and consume them raw or add them to various meals. Just pound them using a mortar and pestle or dry them under the sun or with a dehydrator and grind them and add a tablespoon of the powder to soups, smoothies, shakes, salads and stews. Make sure you start with a tablespoon daily and gradually increase the dosage to 2 tablespoons since they have a strong taste. Also avoid them during breastfeeding and pregnancy. Also, if you have a latex allergy, then in theory there's a good chance you're also going to be allergic to papaya. So it's best to avoid eating papaya or taking products that contain papaya. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the health benefits of papaya seeds. If you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy the next video on the health benefits of tamarind. Thanks for watching and bye for now.